One of the modifications we've made to almost every S550 project we've had here is the marker lights. Why? Because the factory ones look like that. I mean, it's barely lit up. It doesn't even fill the whole light up. And on an $80,000 car, that's completely unacceptable. Thanks to Accelatec though, that's an easy upgrade. These Accelatec LED marker lights will have a whole row of LEDs inside, making for a much more modern look for our Shelby, and they'll be a direct replacement for the factory lights. These are available in the red shown here. They're also available in a smoked or a clear finish. Now here's a look behind the bumper cover at what the factory marker light looks like. Now again, there's no tools required for this installation as long as you have some strong fingers. Worst case, you need a small pair of pliers. But that plastic clip at the front there, you basically squeeze that and then push the light outward, and then it'll come out very easily. Now we have this car up on a lift. You do not need a lift. You can simply lay on the ground, reach your hand up in here, and squeeze this clip. See the clip? Just pops right out. Once you pop the light out, slide it forward off the rear clip. Disconnect the harness, pop it off the car. You'll need the factory socket, so twist it to remove, and then remove the factory bulb. Depending on how long it's on, this could be really hot, so just be careful. Take our Accelatec light, plug it into the factory bulb housing. Put it in and turn. Now plug it into the factory wiring. Push this clip back into the plastic. Push it back, lock it in place. Now either grab your remote or open the door to check it out, make sure it works. Repeat the process on the other side. These Accelatec marker lights look good at any S550 Mustang, but definitely a car like the GT500 deserves a light that looks that good. And again, they're available in the red finish, a smoked finish, or a clear finish. As far as the installation goes, no tools required. This is a 10 to 15 minute install. Be back on the road in no time.